Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru of Prince George here with another session of Subaru School, and I here have the 2025 Subaru Forester Premier in that new River Rock Pearl, new color for the Forester. So in today's session, I'm going to teach you how to use the new power liftgate, the hands-free tailgate. Now, it's not like the Outback where you would block the logo, it would beep and you back up. It's different. We've got a kick gate now, so it does require using one of your legs. So let me show you how it works. You do still have to have the key on your person, and you can turn this off, which I will show you as well how to do that. So first things first, key is on my person. I know I'm probably cut off at the top of the screen. All I do a kicking motion and back up. Now, it's important to note I have to back up. If I don't back up, it's not going to open. Something else that's really, really cool, not changeable on a consumer level. You can talk with your dealership. You can change the speed and the delay at which it opens. So they've done it with, I think it's a 3-second delay, which is still fairly quick, but you can change that. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter. Now, closing it, I've pulled something out of the hatch, and now my hands are full and I can't close it. I can also kick to close it. Let me show you again. Keys here, I kick, I back up, it beeps, it takes a second, it gives me a couple warning beeps, and then it closes. So there's a little bit of a delay just to make sure that you've backed out in a way and you're not crushing anything. So that is very, very cool. Now, let me show you. Just like on the Outback, there is a switch by the driver's left knee, and that's right here. You can turn it off. If it's out and you can see the little bit of white, that means the system's active, and can't see the white, it's deactivated. So that is how you use the new power tailgate, the kick gate, on the 2025 Subaru Forester. That is included in the Touring, the Limited, the Premier, and the Sport. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say, because the 25 Forester Wilderness, when we get to order them, it's gonna be the same as the 24, it's not gonna have this. It is also important to note, if you install a hitch, it involves the removal of the sensor for the kick gate. So that is something to take into account. We are a little bit upset about that, disappointed, I guess is the right term, but just something for you all to know. So thank you for joining me for this session of Subaru School with Tyson the Subaru Specialist. If you have any questions about this car behind me, any of the tech in it, put it in the comments below. If you have an idea for a future Subaru School video, again, please put it in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys, and I'd love to make you guys a video showing you how to do something that you didn't necessarily know you had in your vehicle, or something you think everyone should know about that you don't think is common knowledge. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.